Hey everyone, welcome to Top Down Tech, where we take a look at tech from the top to the bottom. Today we're going to be talking about the ASUS ZEPHYRUS G15 2022 version. For those who are looking for a very technical video, this will not be it. This is a very experience-based video. And just a quick spoiler alert, this is my absolute favorite laptop of 2022 so far. So first off, let's talk hardware. The color variant that I got is in white, but this is also available in black. Now, to be honest, I like the darker color laptops, but the white G15 has really grown on me. I was imagining it to be really dirty after the whole review process because I was using this for almost a month, but luckily it didn't really get too dirty, even though I'm not a clean freak. But you can see that my display got really all dusty in the whole video, so yeah. Come on, rain down on me with your comments about how dusty the display is. But going back to the hardware on this, it's built with mostly plastic, but it looks really premium, especially this white variant. Now, when it comes to the ports, you have everything that you need here. You already have a 3.5mm combo jack, an HDMI 2.0B, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A's. You also have a LAN port as well as two 3.2 Gen 2 Type C ports. Now, the only complaint that I have is that they're not Thunderbolt 4. And the only reason that they're not Thunderbolt 4 is that this is an AMD machine. And it also has a card reader, but unfortunately, it's just a micro SD card slot. And if you can see it clearly, there are perforations on its back panel, which would make you think somehow that there is an Animatrix LED display here, but that is not the case. Because if you remember the G14 from 2020, that one had Animatrix LED light shows on its back panel, but not that it really matters, it's just something that I thought would be there. But anyway, once you open up the G15, this is gonna look really awesome. It has an RGB backlit chiclet type keyboard, and it's pretty much what you'd expect from gaming keyboards on a laptop right now. So nothing really stands out aside from the fact that there are RGB lights on this and you can customize them through the ASUS Armory Crate. And by the way, I like the touchpad on this. It's quite big and it's really responsive. Now, I wasn't able to review the 2021 version of the G15, but the 2020 version didn't have a webcam. So this webcam is a welcome addition, but let me just warn you in advance that the quality on this is trashy. So it's not gonna be something that you'd expect from a high-end device, but I guess it's okay if you're just gonna use it for your logins. But if you're gonna be using this for Zoom meetings, like serious Zoom meetings, the quality will be so bad. However, everything else about the G15 is absolutely high quality and premium. But let's talk about the most obvious one first, which is the display. This is something that you'll be amazed like I was once you check that out, because this 15.6-inch display is my absolute favorite display of the year from a laptop, even beating the M16, which some have touted to be the better display over the G15. I don't know, guys. To my eyes, this was the best one yet from ASUS this year. Unless they provide me with something better, I'm not sure. I've had a wonderful time gaming on this, and speaking of gaming, I'm not gonna touch too much about all of the AAA games out there, but I'm gonna focus on two games that I played heavily on this laptop. And I'm gonna start with Elden Ring. So Elden Ring was something that was so hot during the time that I had this laptop with me. So that was what I played a lot. And when I say a lot, I'm not kidding you guys. I played it from the start to finish using this laptop. I'm used to playing on a bigger display, but I never had any complaints about the size and the quality and how fluid and how beautiful the colors were popping. So if you're looking for a gorgeous looking display, the ZEPHYRUS G15's display is absolutely crazy good. And this should be at the top of your choices for your gaming laptop this year. Now, I know there is a huge elephant in the room. Does this get hot? And I can say yes, especially if you live in a tropical country like I do. It gets really hot. I had this during the summertime here in the Philippines, and it was absolutely crazy hot, especially when I went up to the northern part of the country where the sun really shines down on you. Fortunately for me, I had great cooling inside of the room where we stayed, so I had no issues with any throttling or heating problems. However, this is definitely something I wouldn't recommend to be used in a very hot environment unless you have really proper cooling. Like, I'm talking about exterior temperatures of over 50 degrees Celsius hot. But yeah, again, this is not gonna be a technical review. You can find other heating thermal tests out there. But for me, with the air conditioning pointed downwards at my laptop, I had no issues again with the thermals on this. Now, the other game that I played as well was Dota 2. That's something that's so easy to run. Definitely no problems if you're just gonna play RTS games. However, if we're talking about AAA games, I am 100% confident that the G15 will still be able to run them properly, especially with an RTX 3070 Ti powering this up, or you can even get the more powerful version with an RTX 3080. But of course, this is not just a simple gaming laptop. This is something that you can use for multitasking as well. Like, if you're gonna edit videos on this will be a great machine to work with, especially if you don't have access to your powerful computer. But just a quick side note for those who are thinking that this will replace their super powerful desktop PCs, you might want to rethink that, because when I benchmarked the G15, it only measured up to the middle of the pack when compared to powerful PCs, but it's definitely at the top when compared to other laptops. So you're still getting one of the most powerful laptops out there, and it really performs well no matter what kind of task you put it up to. So if you're looking for a sign to get this laptop, this might be it, because this is my top choice for 2022 so far. And I'm telling you guys, I also reviewed my favorite line from ASUS, which is the M series, and this came out on top of my choices. So if you want to get your own Zephyrus G15, check out the links in the description box. So once again, if you're looking for a great looking gaming laptop, a gorgeous display, and an absolute beast in terms of performance with an RTX 3080 or 3070 Ti and an AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G15 is the laptop to get. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you thought about it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.